Hi, my name's Emily. Do all those lovely things, like and subscribe. Today I'm going to review the Electrolux Well Q7 Animal Vacuum Cleaner. So I purchased this from Good Guys. I was looking at a few vacuum cleaners around the budget price range and decided on the Electrolux based on reviews and also recommendations from the staff from Good Guys. So let's unbox it and check it out. It's quite lightweight, you could almost carry it with one hand, which is nice when you pick it up from the store. It says versatile performance, always at hand, Well Q7 Animal, and this is in the chili red metallic colour. Feels like Christmas morning when you unbox things. I'm like, ooh, getting excited. I'm just going to make it look real hard work now. Oh, it's got instruction leaflets in the box as well. And the box is empty. So we have the instruction book. Safety precautions and warranty information. Here it is, all in the box. So we'll start with the most exciting thing, which is the main body of the vacuum. Packaging on this one. So it looks like this part comes out, which it does. Really easy to take out. So you can attach the nozzles and attachments on the end here and use the vacuum cleaner like this, which I think is going to be really useful for cleaning the stairs or cleaning the sofa or out the car. And then it slides into the main body, clips into place. There we have it. We have this plastic thing, which looks like it's part of the stand. Just put that to the side as well for the moment. Again, this looks like it's part of the stand. Looks like this part slots in there for charging. So, oh, fantastic. So once I finish putting the vacuum together, it looks like this part here with the silver squares on, it's going to line up with these silver parts here. Click on. And that's how it's going to charge. Got one attachment. So you could buy this. There was two models of the Electrolux. This one was $50 more expensive than the base model because it has this attachment here. So I decided to pay the extra $50 because I think this is going to be really useful for cleaning the stairs. So I'm thinking can just attach this part on and then clean the stairs. Looks like you press the button to release it. Just pulls off. What else do we have in here? So we have charging cable. Not sure how that works yet, might have to figure that out. And we have another attachment. Looks like the main attachment. I'm trying to figure out at the same time. So here it's got a little press button as well. It says brush roll clean. So apparently if you press that, it actually cuts up all the hairs and cleans this brush part here, which I think is going to be really handy. I'm quite curious to see how that works, how efficient that actually is. And the last thing in the box is the handle. Oh, I like this part. So we've got another attachment here and it just slots in, clips into place. So you don't have attachments lying around everywhere because it just is part of the actual main vacuum, which I think is really handy because so many times I'm like, where is that piece? Where did I put it? Or I might be like vacuuming the bedroom and then doing around the edges of the carpet and then move into another room and then think, oh, did I leave that in the cupboard or is that still in the first room I vacuumed? So to be able to just slot that back on, I think is going to be quite handy. So we've got the main vacuum body here and then the handle, looks like that just slots on. Made that look tricky, didn't I? Okay. Yeah, it's in place now. Fantastic. If we put the main vacuum attachment onto the end here. Now, take the stand. Just slot that on, we can see how it works. That's freestanding, which is really nice, especially if you're in a rental property, because you don't need to worry about drilling things to the wall to kind of hang it up to charge it, because it just slots on there. It looks quite sturdy as well. How we take it off? Oh, just pulls up to take off. Now, the other thing I need to find out is where the charger goes. So I'm going to read the instructions and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've learned things. There is an extra attachment on the stand. So just here, there's an extra brush. So if I pull that out, it slots on to this part of the vacuum. Like so. So that's really handy that most of the attachments actually go on either the body of the vacuum or the stand. So hopefully you don't lose them around the house. And that just slots back in there. Now I have the charging cable here. That actually plugs in at the base of the stand. So here's the stand. If we turn it over to show the bottom. So the charger goes into the hole, and then they have cutouts and extra parts of plastic on the base so that you can actually wind the cord through, like so. Now obviously the wire's being wound up when it's travelled in the box. So this is a little fiddly at the moment. If I show you this way. There we go, it's getting better already. It's in like so. And then out curls all round and then comes out of the side. So it's going to look really neat. And there's a slot on the other side too, so you can just wind it around the other way if you would like the cord to come out of the left side rather than the right. And then you plug it in, slot the vacuum on top, and then it will obviously charge. In this part of the vacuum, they have a battery, like so. And so when it's charging, you can see how much charge it has here. The vacuum actually came with a little bit of charge. So if I press the button, power on. You can see there's a white light there, so it hasn't got much charge. I'll show you again. There we go. So that was the unboxing of the Electrolux Well Q7 Animal Vacuum Cleaner. I'm going to charge it up and then have a go and see what I think and share that with you guys. So check out the next video on actually the performance of the vacuum cleaner. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.